the warriors.
Koro, I need some help with my Māori.
Ha! That's what your nan used to say.
No, Koro, I really need your help now. It's an emergency.
Hey, Moko, see that? That's my team. I've got to keep the faith.
Are you saying that a team who can't even make the finals is more important than the education and future of your favourite mokopuna? I mean, this could affect our whole whakapapa.
Kitipai, we'll be...
Koro! Koro, hakalonga mai!
E noho, sit down. You got 4 minutes and 11 seconds.
Anahita made me cry today at school.
9 seconds.
She said that I'm doing my mihi wrong, because in my mihi, I like to say hakaro, but she says that I'm saying it wrong.
No, it's not wrong. It's just like a northern dialect.
Like whānau or whānau.
Well, yes and no. Look, we're all a bit different.
Can you please help me practice?
Not now. Oh.
I'm sorry you missed your game, Dad.
No, okay, Tapai. I think the most important thing is to engage with our kids and listen to them. It builds their mana. I mean, it was just a game.
And he recorded it.
Really?